Give me one of your jackets. I'm gonna lay down and shoot.
I'll say you can shoot it across the top of his car, across the hood. That way you can prop up on it.
Okay,
2 pounds of explosives.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, we're recording.
You get my air protection in.
You better put your safety glasses on.
We'll be alright.
I got one in the chamber.
Cock and let it rock. We good to go.
Whatever you are.
Let it rip.
Am I good?
Yeah. All right, now you gotta hit it. You want me to do it?
There's no more bullets.
Is that all the bullets?
Yeah, you got no bullets for that? No more. You got to shoot yours.
No, he's not.
What in the hell? Y'all bent my sights up.
Oh, damn.
Up here.
I don't know what you
Here, send me all them coats.
Alright. Yeah, get it set up.
Cause this ain't dead on, but I'm gonna try it.
John say you shoot it off where he was shooting.
Huh?
You shoot from where he's shooting.
See? Wow. I'd rather be up there, then I can be down seeing it better.
You'll be all right there.
Might blow the more windows up.
Just from the gun. Oh, yeah.
Go try it. Let's see, you had more bullets for the 5.56.
No. I only brought one
I don't want to waste all these trainings on me. It ain't zeroed in.
You better not miss.
I don't say you better get it on the first shot. Remember, it's shooting high.
I might knock the bicycle down.
I don't say so. Aim below the canister. Like put it right at the bottom of the bottle.
I can't believe I didn't hit it.
I know. You let me down, Chris. Mama K's steadily backing up.
I just put so many bullets in it, Grant. You only need one.
That's right. You got to be like me with Dean's rifle when I shot. One hit a quitter.
Yeah, put your britches up.
All right, here we go.
Look at the wheel. It's still Jesus Christ.
That was a boom. It's over with now.
With the 300.
All right, hold on.
Look at me.
There we go. There's the man right there.
That's the one y'all got to arrest.
That's
right
the man
there.
that couldn't hit it.
Yeah. Kiss my ass.
That's the
Kiss
one the law
my ass.
needs to be called on right there. Let's go check out the
The wheel
damage.
kept rolling.